In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take an STL or a mesh file and convert it into a solid model that you can use in Fusion. So let's get started. So I've downloaded a couple things from Thingiverse, and I'm going to show you two different ones. One that's going to be fine, one that's going to have a little error, but I want to show you how you can fix the errors. So we're going to start with a simple one first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to Insert. I'm going to slide down to Insert Mesh. I'm going to go select from my computer, and I have this little bracket that we're going to use. So I'm going to orientate this little bracket a little bit differently. I can flip this around. I'm going to center this. And now STL files come with no units. So you need to pick a unit. So in this case, I'm going to pick millimeters. When I'm set, I'm going to hit OK. Next, I want to go up and I want to select my mesh up here. I'm going to slide down. I'm going to go Generate Face Groups. And I'm going to select over here the type. It's going to be accurate. I want this to be very accurate. I'll select my object. We'll hit OK. And boom, we're all set. If I go over here to my browser, you're going to see real quickly that this is still a mesh. So we need to still convert it into a mesh. So I'm going to go up to Modify, slide down to Convert Mesh. I want to select Parametric, and I'm going to select my object, and we'll hit OK. And you'll see a little status bar, hopefully will pop up down in the bottom corner once I get going, but this was so quick, it didn't really do it. So now this is all set. All I have to do is go File and Save, and I can save it as a bracket, and I can use this in any of my Fusion files, animation files, or assembly files. So that's the simple one. Let's go start a new one. We're going to do the same steps, but we're going to add one or two new steps in. We're going to go Insert, Insert Mesh, select from my computer. I have this little shark here that we're going to insert. This is a little articulating shark. So it brings it in. I'm going to orientate this a little bit. I'm going to move it down to the ground level. Again, you would have to pick the units that you want and then hit OK. I'm going to go over here to my browser and I'm going to open up where it says bodies. Well, you can see right away that's a mesh. But now you can see this little warning symbol. And if I touch that warning symbol, it says mesh is not closed, mesh is not oriented, and mesh does not have positive volume. So we're going to fix that. So we're going to go back up to our mesh tab up in the top. We're going to go to Prepare. This time we're going to select Repair. And I want to close those holes. All right, so I got a couple different things. I want to close those holes. Select my object, and we'll hit OK. And this will take a second or two. And there's my status bar on the bottom, down in green. Yep. Now you can see that I don't have my warning symbol anymore. So let's go up and we'll hit Prepare. Generate Face Groups. We're going to leave this at accurate because that's preferred. I'm going to select my object. Oh, and I get this little warning says the selection has more than 5,000 faces. Calculations will take a considerable amount of time. You might want to think about the fast method. So let's hit the fast method instead. And now we'll hit OK. And this shouldn't take too long. There we go. There's our status bar. Boom, we're done. So we have one more step to go. Modify. Convert Mesh. We're going to leave it at parametric. We're going to select our bodies here. Oh, we got another warning on the bottom. And this warning says that it has over 10,000 triangles. It's going to take a considerable amount of time. So it's going to be up to you if you want to sit and wait to see how long that's going to take. Me, I might go back and try to find a little simpler object. And that is it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button.